You don't want to miss this, guys. Just look at this. Claude OPUS 5 and 4.8 have access to these two models for free. And they are inside my Claude Desktop application. I can even go work with Claude Cowork and also Claude Code. And I was actually working on this website. You know, this is actually working like a charm. Just follow along the video and I will show you exactly how to do this for free. Okay, so the first thing that you gotta do is go to google.com and write Claude Desktop, and this is the first website that you have to click on, and it will be taking you to this page which says Claude, download Claude. So since we are on the Windows, I'm gonna click on download for Windows, but if you are on Mac or any other OS, you can just simply go ahead and here just click on Mac OS download, and you can simply go ahead and do that. Once you do that, once you install it, and once you download it and install it, then you have to open this app. So I'm gonna open the Claude app. So you will be seeing this thing first. This is the very first thing that you are going to see here. So here, what you have to do is click on these three lines, and then click on help, and then you see the troubleshooting. Do that, and here you see enable developer mode. Just click on it. Once you do that, it says this and this, and just click on enable. It will restart the Claude app and come back to this again. Now you will see a different option here. Here you see the developer option now. It wasn't before here, but now it has. Now here it says configure third-party inference. So click on it and you will be on this page. So this is the magic where we are going to basically do. So this is a gateway. Now we need this gateway base URL and the API key. So for that, just go to this website agent router. I will just leave a link in the description. Just go to this link and it will take you to this page, and then simply use your email or GitHub. But I prefer you just go with GitHub, because in GitHub they provide you extra credits. So click on continue with GitHub. I already have an account, so here, and then you can simply click on the API token, and here we're gonna simply go ahead and create the new token here, Claude, and then nothing else here. I would say never expires. Okay, let's just say 1 day, since you guys can see the key. So I'm gonna keep it like for 1 day expiration, 1 hour basically expiration date, and then here is all good. Yeah, you can check mark this unlimited quota, but in your case you can keep it like to never expires. Okay, so then you can click on submit. All right, and then it will display you the key here. Okay, well, it does not. That's crazy. Well, we have the Claude API key here generated, so you can simply click on this copy icon. Just click on it, and also then we can just simply go ahead to the application here. So this was the app here, and then we can simply go ahead, but first we need the base URL. Sorry about that. So if you can click on the dashboard, and here it says API information. This is the base URL we need. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this one here, go back to Claude, paste it here. Now we need the key, but it says credential kind. We're gonna be keeping it as a static API key, and then it says gateway API key, and this is the key that we just copied, needs to be pasted here. So that is a key here. I pasted it here directly. That's it. That's all, the only thing that you got to do. Now let's go ahead and click on test connection. Once you do that, if it turns green, that means it's working. So let's wait for this. Okay, it's green. Now it says model discovery 2. It has found 2 models which we can access, which is Opus 4.8 and 4, I think 5. That's what we can use. Yeah, Opus 5 and Opus 4.8. So this is what we have, and then simply go ahead and click on apply changes and nothing else. You don't need to do anything else at all. Click on save and restart. So it's gonna relaunch in like 3 seconds, and then voila, we can simply use Claude Code. And as you can see here, we have the Claude Code. It says you are on gateway, nothing to do with that. Well, we have the access to 2 models, Claude Opus 4.8 and Claude Opus 5. So I'm gonna go for the higher one, this one. So we can simply chat with this. And by the way, you can see here we are on the gateway. So we can simply chat, just do a coding task. I have already done with this. I'm already using this platform. I have used 10 million tokens, and I was using Opus 5 on straight, and you can see the active days and everything. Right, and then Cowork, you can see here. I'm gonna just disable the WhatsApp. Sorry about that. So the Cowork here is also the accessible here, but since we can start with the Claude Code, let me just simply go ahead and say hello, but I want to create a new directory. Okay, so I'm gonna cancel this. This was the project I was working on. I'm gonna just do ahead, copy this one and say test. Okay, and this is the folder I want to use. It's trusted workspace. Now let's just say first hello. Let's see if it's working. Okay, hi. Okay, waiting for Claude model to respond. As you can see, it was literally just a fraction of seconds. Hey Danny, what can I help you with today? That's crazy. So we can even change the model as well to Claude OPUS 4.8 as well. So let's just say, hey, build me a landing page on where I have a business of real estate, and I want you to build me a landing page with one landing page which has like slider, which has everything, which has like the packages and everything, all of those things with images. So I just gave him a simple text prompt. Let's see if it pulls up, but it's gonna take a little bit of time since it's gonna build an entire page. Let's just say, okay, you only build me 3 sections of this page in the plain HTML with CSS and everything. Okay, so I just hit send, and let's see how it is going to respond. So let's wait for this and see what will come out next. And at the same time, you can also track these requests. Since I have already exhausted the the balance, I have consumed $153, and this is, I think, is it like 3 million tokens? I think, or yeah, I think it's 3 million tokens. Yeah. So this is what I have exhausted, and these are a number of requests I have done. You can just basically see everything in here, and this is all of the requests that we have done. So yeah, that's about it. Okay, it says I'll build you a real estate landing page as a single HTML file with 3 sections, a hero image, slider, featured properties and packages, all embedded with. Okay, let's just say it's right now creating. So let's wait and see how it looks. Okay, so it has done this building for us. Let me just go ahead and open it up. Let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks. Really amazing, just with one simple text prompt. The slider is also there, all of the images are there, and this is looking really nice. And it is just a single HTML page. I can ask him, make it more complex. I think I should do that. Let me show you. Okay, so I want you to have this add a menu to this, as well as add the privacy and policy pages, and also add the different pages in the like about us, contact us, all of those pages as well, and have this CTA as well, and also the form which we this client can fill in, and we can get leads from there. Also the footer to this entire this project, and also add the separate pages where I can simply click on view packages. I can see all of the packages and everything. Also, if I click on our services, I can see the services page entirely with a bunch of different services. So I have sent the prompt, and let's see what it does. I'm just giving a bunch of tasks to do, like different things to do. So it's gonna pull it off. Let's see. Okay, it has already done the this menu thing, but these things are not working. But now it will be working since we have given him enough context to do that. So I think, yeah, it's looking very much better, and everything is working for free. And by the time it's gonna start working on this one, I'm gonna show you something else. So this is basically about the agent router. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. Okay, this is not a sponsored video. And so what I do is I basically use these platforms to do all of the tasks that I have to do. If it's a coding task or anything, I do this. Okay, then okay, now it says allow Claude to start the site on the server port 5500. Let's just click on allow once, and let's see how it looks. Crazy. Let's just go. I'm gonna just make it full screen. Okay, wow. So we have the slider, we have the menu. Okay, this is turning white. This is looking good. Y states and co, really good. Okay, we have the numbers, we have our handpicked properties. I mean, this is really looking nice, to be honest. Okay, what do we do? Services built around you, buying, selling, investing, and all of those things. You choose the plan, pricing, and everything. Okay, I like this thing. I like this one. So let me just go back to the bottom here. Okay, this is the footer. We have the address and all of these numbers and everything. So now let me just check it out. All of the pages are working or not. So it says about. Like, really? Wow. Okay, we have people behind every move. Okay, services. Wow, that's great. That's really nice. Packages. With just one prompt, you know. Wow, that's cooking. Contact us. Okay, something happened with the contact us page. Okay, it's back. All of these things. We have the form. Okay, at gmail.com. Phone number. Interested in this. Buying rate this. Submit my details. Thank you for the details. Okay, perfect. This is really nice. I think this one would be a map or something. It's not working as of now because I didn't tell him to do it. Okay, so all of the things are working. Okay, let me just go back to home. If I click on view packages, so let me know in the comments. And by the way, if you guys like the video, please drop a like and share, and also comment what are you guys doing with this one. And yeah, just if you feel like any problems or something, drop a comment. I will definitely help you. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.